let's start with Zenmuse Air1 Powerline inspection planning. I'm sure you guys all have the practice package. If you don't, I will send you through email after this. Let's see the Powerline inspection planning. So this is the planning parameters setting. We have two ways to import power tower position data. First is through CSV files. We choose the Powerline tower position file and open. Be sure to check the CSV format. From left to right is tower name, longitude, latitude, and the tower roof altitude. After the import, we can choose one specific tower as the calibration position. For example, I'll choose number 3 and click to calibrate position. Let me fly to the map. Okay. You can also input DM or DSM files for better view. Now you can see we have each simulated power tower on the map. You can also click the profile to see the side view of each power tower and DM. After we click the calibration position, you can see the IMU calibration here. So it will do the IMU calibration on the top of the number 3 tower. This depends on where you want to take off your drones. You can change the calibration position. For example, if I want to take off around the near the power tower number 5, I can choose the number 5 and click calibrate calibration and preview. Now you can see the calibration position is changed to on the top of the number 5. Okay. We have another section here. It's called decelerate. It's called decelerate. After we check the decelerate. Sorry. Let me just submit and okay. Now this is the flight routine. Okay, this is the flight routine. Before we choose the decelerate, now I will check the decelerate, and you guys can see the difference between these two flight missions. And check preview and submit. Okay. You can see 2 additional waypoints near each one of the power towers. Between these 2 waypoints, the drone will decelerate to about 30% of the flight speed. So this will do 2 things. First, for better structure of each power tower, because the speed is reduced, so the point cloud around about the power tower will be better for better structure. And while during the deceleration, the IMU will do the calibration. So for long flight routine, if this between 2 power towers is between the 2 power towers is like cruise, the speed won't change. The IMU accuracy will be reduced. But if we check the decelerate, the IMU accuracy will be better. Be aware of the extensions here. Extension is happen during the start and end of the power tower. For example, here is number 1 and number 5. So it will do another 40 meters scanning on the end and the start of the flight routine. If we uncheck, you will see if we uncheck this button, you will see the drone fly to the top of the power tower and do a U-turn. Here, you guys can see the difference. This extension is for this extension will give you 40 meters more of the survey area, so you can set the different distance you want on each side of the routine to adjust the total coverage of these power towers.